What is up, ladies and gents? Welcome back to the Get Rich Slow channel. Today we are diving into the question that's buzzing around. What should you invest in the exciting year of 2023? Hold on tight, because we are taking a journey through 5 different investment asset classes, starting from the conservative ways, making our way up to the more adrenaline-pumping YOLO options. Buckle up, because we are about to uncover the secrets of turning money into more money. Let's dive in. Investing, my friends, is like planting a seed that grows into money trees. The whole point? To make your hard-earned money work for you. It's like ordering a pizza and getting extra slices as the years roll by. Now let's take a look at different investment avenues that can make those money trees flourish. Kicking things off, we've got the classic, stocks. Investing in the heart of corporations. Now, stocks aren't exactly the adrenaline-pumping rush of a roller coaster, but they can bring in steady returns over time. Think about it as the Ferris wheels of investments, relatively safe and sound. Expected returns, whether you are an individual stock picker, which I don't really recommend, or putting your money into a low-cost index fund like the Vanguard S&P 500, for example, your returns can vary, but historically, they've been around 10% annually. Alright, let's add a touch of sophistication with fine art. Imagine investing into a masterpiece like Picasso that speaks to your soul. It's like owning a piece of history and culture. Keep in mind though, that investing in fine art is as much about passion as it is about profit. Each stroke of brush tells a story, and every brushstroke can impact the value of your investment. While fine art has the potential to bring both aesthetic beauty and financial gain, remember that the art market can be as delicate as a piggy bank. Art valuations can be influenced by trends, artist reputation, and even cultural climate. Investing in art can be a journey of discovery, much like exploring hidden treasures trove. While it can be unpredictable, with the right eyes, you are looking at returns from 5% up to 15% per year. If you are enjoying this artistic exploration of investment possibilities, don't forget to express your appreciation by hitting the like button. Now let's shift our focus to another realm of elegance, watches. Timepieces aren't just functional accessories. They can be valuable investments. Investing in watches is like collecting legacy on your wrist. And here is the twist. Much like hands of a watch, timing matters. Limited editions, iconic brands like Rolex, Patek Philippe, and historical significance can make your investments tick up. Returns in the watch world can range from 8% till even up to 20% per year, making it a stylish venture for those who like combining fashion with finance. Next stop on our investing journey is real estate. Picture yourself owning properties, apartments, or even commercial places. It's like building your financial empire brick by brick. It's a space where you can turn properties into profit, and where your investments quite literally stand the test of time. Beauty of the real estate market lies in its stability. While stocks can be turbulent as a stormy sea, real estate is more like a calm harbor, offering predictable rental income and potential appreciation. When you are investing in real estate, you are not just acquiring property. You are building your dreams. You can earn passive income by renting out your spaces to tenants, and if lady luck is on your side, property value can climb steadily over the years. Whether you are eyeing at residential properties, commercial spaces, or the ever-popular Airbnb rentals, remember, real estate is like sculpting your financial future, one property at a time. Now let's talk about numbers. Expected returns from real estate investing can hover from 8% up to 12% per year. That's a solid range, making real estate favorite among those who want to blend financial stability with tangible assets. Alright, brace yourself for the high-speed twist of our journey, cryptocurrencies. It's like the bungee jumping of investments. Cryptos are all about high risk and high reward potential. One thing for sure, the crypto world is like an ever-evolving puzzle. Keeping up with news, trends, and technological advancements is as crucial as fastening your seatbelt on this electrifying roller coaster. As we journey through these accelerating investment asset classes, always remember diversification is key. and staying informed is your compass in the crypto wildness. It's a space where 10x gains can happen overnight, but so can 10x losses. Expected returns, well, let's just say the sky is the limit. But it's like a rocket that can shoot you on the moon or leave you floating in space. Bitcoin, for example, if you look at the past 5 years, returned a whopping 52.4% per year on average. However, if you cashed out at the all-time high levels, you would have made a stunning return of 800% in just over 3 years. So ladies and gents, there you have it, our whirlwind tour through different investment asset classes in a dazzling year of 2023. Whether you are cruising the stock market, savoring the elegance of art and watches, building your real estate empire, and surfing the crypto waves, each path has its own flavor. As you navigate through this financial amusement part, remember, homework is your best buddy. It is like wearing a safety harness on this exciting ride. Thank you for joining in today. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more financial thrills. Until next time, keep investing and keep living the adventure.